Hello everybody, this is Daryl Passing Lane Motors, and I'm getting ready to take our new arrival, the 1963 C10, out for a drive. Thought I'd take everybody along. This is a beautiful truck. It's a 1963 C10. It is 350 powered now with a 350 turbo transmission. Has complete frame off restoration. The inside has a really nice stereo system in the glove box. It has AC, power steering, and power disc brakes now. The bed on this truck is beautiful. Been all redone. It's redone in a oak stained pine. The inside of the walls have been Duralined with a spray-in bed liner. The tailgate is gorgeous and beautiful. All the bumpers on this truck are gorgeous. So let's get in and take you for a ride here. Look at the chrome on this, how nice it is. The interior is beautiful in here also. Does have the key switch up here is no longer operable. It's now in the column. Does have tilt steering. The cruise control is not hooked up. Has beautiful dolphin gauges. All the gauges light up. RPM gauge, voltmeter, water temperature, tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and oil pressure gauge. Put the truck in drive here. The air in here is ice cold. Take you out for a little short drive. The truck runs great. Toner! This truck drives beautiful. Look at the interior in here, how nicely done it is. The truck doesn't pull or shimmy or shake. The brakes work great. It's got power disc brakes on it now. The truck stops on a dime. Here's your radio. It's in the glove box. Air conditioning vents here. All the vents work, whether it's defrost or heat. All your air conditioning controls are right down here. Your fan, your temperature, your defrost, your floor. Truck runs great. It gets up and moves now. Let you listen to it outside. Truck sounds great out here. Rear bumper needs to be dusted off. There's the interior on the outside. Show you how pretty the truck is. Isn't it gorgeous? Let you listen. Oh, I got the headlights on. There's the engine running. Like I said, power disc brakes, beautiful chrome 350, power steering, air conditioning, chrome alternator, beautiful chrome air cleaner, headers. Truck runs and drives awesome. Great big radiator to handle with the air conditioner. Drove it the other day to a show and super hot temperatures, and it ran great. Didn't run hot at all. We drove it around all day with the air on. Ran it at 185 degrees. So one more time, this is Daryl, Passing Lane Motors, 636-600-1140, a beautiful 1963 C10. Thanks a lot for looking and have a great day.